Prolactin is an essential hormone produced by the pituitary gland, responsible for critical functions like breastfeeding and reproductive health. But what happens when prolactin levels become too high? In this video, we'll explore the causes, symptoms, and treatment of hyperprolactinemia, high prolactin levels, and what you can do to take control of your health. First, what is a normal prolactin level? For women, it typically ranges between 4 and 23 nanograms per milliliter. Levels above this range might indicate hyperprolactinemia, which can lead to various health concerns. Elevated levels can be due to natural causes, such as pregnancy, or underlying health issues. So, how do you know when to act? Stick around to find out. Several factors can contribute to high prolactin levels. For instance, benign tumors in the pituitary gland, known as prolactinomas, are a common cause. Other culprits include medications, thyroid disorders, stress, or even excessive physical exertion. Understanding the root cause is crucial, as it directly impacts the treatment plan. High prolactin levels often manifest in subtle ways, which can delay diagnosis. Symptoms in women include irregular or absent periods, unexpected milk production, and infertility. You might also experience fatigue, low libido, or unexplained weight gain. If you notice any of these, it's important to consult your healthcare provider. Wondering how to check your prolactin levels? It starts with a simple blood test. In some cases, additional imaging tests like an MRI may be necessary to rule out structural issues in the pituitary gland. Early detection can make all the difference in successful treatment. Fortunately, high prolactin levels can often be managed effectively. Medications such as dopamine agonists are the most common treatment. In more severe cases, surgery or radiation might be recommended. Lifestyle changes, like managing stress and improving sleep, can also play a significant role in balancing hormone levels. If you've been experiencing any of the symptoms we've discussed, take charge of your health. Speak with a healthcare provider about testing your prolactin levels. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to comment below. What topics would you like us to cover next?